We are now ready to start the final project. Your final project for computer literacy will have 3 parts. The first part, which we will start today, is going to be completed in Microsoft Word. In your course content, you will find in Unit 11, Final Project Part 1. That is where you will find your direction sheet, which is focused here on the left, and you will find the unformatted document, which is focused here on the right. Notice that I have my windows side by side so that I can see both the directions and the unformatted document at the same time. I do this by selecting a window and resizing it to be smaller or larger until it fits just in its section. And I do the same thing with this one over here so that I can make them side by side. You are now ready to begin. Looking at this assignment, you will come all the way down to the bottom first. You will format the flyer. Using Tanya's notes below, make the changes. Number 1, make all the changes as labeled in Figure 1 and Figure 2. So I'm going to come up to the very top of my document, Figure 1, Flyer Page 1. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the title Unique Physique. It is to be size 48. It is to be Bodini MT, centered, and the color is to be green. Next, center hours, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I will select those. Font size is to be changed to 18. And Calibri is the font, so I'm going to change the font. My goodness, I keep missing a section. All right. New at the gym will be size 18, Calibri, and blue. The headings, dietary consultation, yoga classes, personal trainers will be bold and italics. Center happenings will be size 18, Calibri, blue. This paragraph from Joan Raymond down to equipment should be size 18, Calibri, and black. Call for an appointment should be size 20, Calibri, and bold. You will make all of those changes on this side on the unformatted document. Next, you will move the bullet containing dietary consultation to the top of the bulleted list. So I'm going to come up into my bulleted list. I'm going to select dietary consultation, and I'm going to move this to the first bulleted position. Number 2 is done. I will add a column to the schedule for December. So I'm going to move my mouse above Tuesday till I get the black arrow. I'm going to click. I'm going to right click, insert columns to the left. And now I will add in Monday. I will add in an activity of my choice. And a second activity of my choice. Okay, add 2 sessions, resize the table if needed. My table is fine. I'm going to insert a picture above the table. So I'm going to come up here in this blank space. I will insert a picture of my choice that is going to look like something that relates to nutrition or the gym. So I'm going to look for something that relates to fitness or the gym here. We'll just do fitness. I can pick any one of these images. Maybe I'll pick this one and insert it. making sure that I size it appropriately. I position it where I want it to be. We're going to go with there we go. And notice how my table is now split. So what I would like to do is I'd like to move this to the next page, move the image down so that we have more space in our document. Okay. We're going to shade the days of the week in light gray. So our fill color is light gray, and the activities in the rows 2 and 3 are going to be light green. We're going to make sure that our document looks good and makes sense. You're going to save it as flyer_your name and submit to the final project part 1. When you are finished, your final project will look very similar to this one. Don't forget to save it as flyer_your name and submit to 11.02 Final Project Part 1.